Hey guys, it's me, Sarah Girl 1998. So, do you guys really want to see me sneeze? Because I don't think you're ready to see me sneeze. Like, for real. But since I have, like, 450 subscribers as of right now, I might as well help make your little wish come true. So I have a tissue right here, but I have tried to make myself sneeze, but it didn't really work. But I'm gonna give it another shot. I usually use my hair for this, but I decided to use a rolled up tissue for this one. I'm gonna give it another shot and see if it works. Oh god. If you don't want to see this, you might want to close your eyes. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I've done it. How was that? Did you like that? It felt kind of good, but I think I could have made it sound cuter. I hope you enjoyed that.